What's up YouTube, the Random Outdoorsmen are back, and today we'll be making and testing rope darts that we made out of railroad spikes.
Thank you so much for 800 subscribers, still climbing up there, getting to 1,000. Thought you guys would really like this video, and we enjoy throwing knives at stuff.
Yes.
So we're gonna show some of the making process, do a couple like trick shots / tests, and then tell you what we thought about it afterward. First try. Boom! Yeah. Straight through. Yes. Yeah!
Yeah!
Well, that's all for today's video. A couple quick notes is that the ring we were using developed a little bit of a gap or a bend that we're pretty sure we can fix by just tack welding it. See, Steven's is a little bit wider than mine ended up being. But besides that, that was the only real issue we came across. The knot stayed tied pretty well. You might want to put a different knot than a scaffold knot on the end of the rope, as it kind of tried to squeeze our wrists a little hard, so maybe just make a solid loop with like a figure-8 knot. You can look up how to tie that. But besides that, grinding them like this allowed them to stay with the tip forward, as you can see in that clip there. That worked very well. Most of the shots the tip hit forward, a few of them not quite so much, but worked out pretty well.
Yes.
So make sure to like, subscribe, comment. If you want to see other stuff like this,
Happy trails.
happy trails. Feel the water. This is gonna affect the trout population. Oh yeah, you have to look at the gap. 6.
Circular fishing.
All the batteries.